able to see the screen? Programs here. That is the capsular rhexis. You are able to see that? The sectants or the octants. That is the nucleus liquefaction. Then the incision, main incision I am doing. The side port incision I am not doing. I am not doing any arcuate incisions in this. Okay, I am going to show you this now liquid optic interface. Can you see the liquid optic interface?
Yes, sir.
The liquid optic interface I kept on the cornea, right, Taranga? This works on the liquid optic interface, unlike the Alcon machine, which is the Lensex, which is a solid interface. I'm going to capture it now. Now I have confirmed that it is locked. Now what is happening is the machine scans. You are able to see here that there are parameters like wide to wide diameter, the pupillary diameter, the lens thickness, the lens meridian position, the anterior chamber depth, the aqueous depth, the corneal thickness as well, CCT. You can see a three-dimensional OCT there, making sure everything is fine. And then I am going to the next one, approving it. Rhexis is over. This is the fastest machine. As far as the, you can see it's now cutting the cataract nucleus. It's going on very well. Because it's a very brown cataract, it is taking a little longer time. It's almost over, another 5 seconds or 8 seconds to go. That's fine, sir. It's done the incision as well. Can you see that?
Yes, beautifully.
It's over. Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to, I put viscoelastic high visc into the side port. Then I'm going to make the main incision. There is a free floating rhexis almost 100% of the time. You have to be very gentle in your hydrodissection because already the pneumodissection would have occurred. This is a signature probe machine I am using. Already the sectants are being done by the femto. You can see the openings there.
Yes. It's
The very fact that gas bubbles are getting released, it means that the incision has gone all the way down. You are able to see that. Please see this gas bubbles are coming. Can you see that? So what I do is I reduce the parameters when I am doing my last CK. Absolutely, there is no cortex at all.
It was an amazing nucleus to do in a light surgery. Amazing, sir.
You can see the cornea is crystal clear. There is no cortex, but anyway, I am just checking underneath because the pupil has become a little small. Okay, I am going to now demonstrate the implantation of the High-Ans lens. This is a new kid on the block, but it's really amazing results. The High-Ans lens. The lens is more or less like the Technis one. There are no rings on the lens and there is an aspheric surface which is not visible in the naked eye. So the lens implantation is the same like the Technis one. Making sure the lens is centered well in the bag. So this is the end of the surgery. You can see that the lens is well centered. You can see the Purkinje images right in the center. And I am just inflating the side port to make sure it is tight. Thank you very much.